Yeah, so the online world is definitely real, and you have to react to it or you're not going to be around. So just to maintain relevance with the market, we needed to embrace cloud, and specifically we embraced the Microsoft cloud. It's an evolution. It's not something you can fight against. You really have to move with it. 4 years ago, it wasn't necessarily super obvious, but we really, at the time, knew we were on a burning platform. We could not keep doing business if we wanted to keep doing business like we had done in the past. So I think it was just very compelling. You move from the BPOS to the Office 365 model. Everything just started working a lot better. If you really want to embrace it, put your business on the cloud. So we moved to Office 365 right away. We moved to Azure Active Directory, Skype for Business, and I find it just an osmosis thing. When everybody's using the technology that they're going out to position, we start selling more of it. So really what had to happen was move Nortec into the Microsoft cloud. And it wasn't a commercial transaction. As a Gold partner, you just get it, but you still have to do the migrations and do all the work. And we experimented on ourselves a bit, found out how to do it correctly, what worked, and now we have done a lot of migrations and things like that. So it's worked out for us. But it gave us a mechanism to figure out how we could add value in this new world. It wasn't just the one-time project. It was now helping with the portal administration, helping with backups, disaster recovery, stuff like that. The people that are in large metropolitan areas where high-speed internet is pretty much omnipresent, the cloud's there in a big way, and you really have no choice. If you want to stay relevant to your clients, you're going to have to do this. Some of my partner community that lives in the rural areas, we service some rural areas, the internet isn't as necessarily as robust. They have been able to live in the old world much, much longer, and successfully so, right? It is a couple challenges. Your whole business model changes. You're under top-line revenue pressure now because you're not doing the big one-pops. You're doing more of reoccurring revenue. The evolution of Microsoft's offering in the cloud, the Office 365 is a nice offering. It simplifies business for small businesses and medium-sized businesses. But what's really compelling right now is things like EMS, Azure, and all the new services in Azure. There's a lot more ways to add value now than there was just in the Office 365. Microsoft does a good job of saying, look, let's not just try and live on the back-end money or the renewal. How are you going to add value in a bigger way, whether that's through the IP or business processes you want to change? They've been really helpful on the higher value add activity. There's not a lot of discussion on the lower stuff, right? You just get in there and do it. But the other thing Microsoft does is they're a good place to bounce ideas up. This is what we're thinking of doing. And, they talk to a lot of partners, so they can quickly say, I haven't heard anybody talk like that, or very few people are considering that, and that could work or that might not work. Either way is good.